I am Ashutosh Desai, and I am going to tell you about Byju's, how you can get into the Byju's, right? As I know, almost everyone's dream is getting into the Byju's and what are the roles available over there. And mainly, we would be discussing about the business development associate role, right? So, welcome to the BTech Baba, and basically, I am Ashutosh Desai, and I am in electrical engineering. I have done my graduation in 2020 in electrical engineering from SUNIT. First of all, I would like to tell you what is the roles available over there, but and what we are going to discuss, what we are going to talk, and what is the job profile. Business development associate, right? So there are many roles available are like content developer, which is for like graphic designer, and another is for like good at like academics like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and all the subjects. You can go there, join there, and develop content. For that, you have to give an examination of their like choose a particular subject and take their exam. So you would be the content developer over there. And yeah, what like qualification do you require for that is like uh, BSc, MSc, or any engineer can do that, because it is mainly a physics, chemistry, math requirement. So yeah, you can get into that easily. And for the commerce part also, you can go there like from that particular finance or economics background also. But today we'll be discussing about like a busy BDA, which is their major requirement, and they are hiring in a bulk. So what is BDA? BDA is Business Development Associate. What is Business Development Associate? Which is inside sales and direct sales. So basically, BDA is a sales role where you need to dial a call, and then you need to book a demo or a phone call and bring the prospect to the call, and then to the meeting virtual. Like if it is inside sale, then you would be giving a virtual meeting like or a Zoom call, or if it is a direct sale, you would be visiting their place and giving everything, giving demo in a detail, like showing everything like their like tablet and their courses, how it works. And you would be closing, and once for closing is the main part. But let's discuss about this, like how you can get into this, like how you can apply. That's the main thing. You need to apply to give an interview, right? So I'm going to share a screen. Let me show you something. How you can apply. Like there are always two ways available. So one is find a reference. Obviously, go on a LinkedIn. There are so many people working at Byju's. Find one of them and tell them I want to join Byju's. They would guide you. Obviously, they would respond to you, and their HRs are available also there, and they keep posting about the vacancy and forms available. So yeah, that's the one way. But what is the another way? Yeah, so you can open up their website like byju's.com. This is the website, and scroll down to the end last, right? So here is the career page. Click on a career, and as I said to you, there are so many careers available: academics and content, that's mainly in physics, chemistry, maths, and finance and economics. Content developer is media, that's graphic designer, music, video editing, and all the stuff. The tech, yeah, obviously software engineers and all the stuff. Backend developer, front end developer, iOS engineer, Android developer, everything is there. Machine learning people and AI people, all those comes into the tech. But we will be discussing about BDA, Business Development Associate, because all these things you can create giving an exam, or like solving some problems, or designing some media files and everything. You can get into this. But getting into the BCA, is not that easy. You need to give three interviews, like one on phone call and two video calls, and you need to go through like 15 days theoretical training, and 6 week of sorry, right now it is 4 weeks. When I went through that, it was 6 week, but right now it is like 4 weeks. So I would tell you everything about both the patterns, why it has changed so much. I would tell you that. So, and this is the marketing part, and this is the finance part. But this is the BDA. You can click on the BDA, Business Development Associate role, and just click on apply now. So as you click on apply now, you would get a form to fill a form, and they would give a call to you. That's it. Prepare your resume to upload over here. Anything else you want to add is like you need at least a bachelor's degree, like BTech. Mainly they prefer BTech guy mostly, or MBA guys. So here are BTech and MBA are here, and highest qualification year. And yes, date of birth, sales circle. Yeah, what is office city? So like basically, if we discuss about, I was placed in Gujarat. So if we discuss about Gujarat part, so there are mainly four offices: Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Surat, and Baroda. And fifth one is in Bhavnagar. So choose your office, like let's say Ahmedabad, but you can choose your sales circle also. So Ahmedabad would cover nearby cities, like in which cities you would prefer to sell. But that's just asking right now. But this is not sure you would get over there. But you would stay in, like if you are staying in Maharashtra, you would stay in Maharashtra. You don't need to go to like Madhya Pradesh or Karnataka or like anywhere else. But these cities are for direct sales role, where you need to give a visit a prospect and give a demo. For inside sales, you definitely need to go to the Bangalore. That is your role location for inside sales. And there is a difference in the salary packages also. I would tell you about both. So you just click on apply now, and your application has been submitted. You would get a call for the first interview, telecommunication interview. It is particular clearly a sales show. Like you get a lead, you dial a number and talk to them, fix a demo, and visit their place, and yeah, close them on spot and bring the revenue to the company. And what do you get in return is like 10 lakhs per annum. 5 lakhs is your like base salary, plus like 2 lakhs is like for what you can say is like visiting them. Like you keep visiting the prospect every Saturday and Sunday, each and every week. You get a holiday on Monday and Tuesday. So that's the way at Byju's, because parents remain free on Saturday Sundays. So we work at Byju's on Saturday Sundays, right? And the other 3 lakhs is like variable pay. What is that? Those are incentives. Those are like tons of incentives you can earn over here at Byju's, right? So how do you get the incentives? It is a few percentage of your like revenue generated, and that you would learn if you get, that you would get to know if you once you get into the Byju's, right? So let's discuss how to get into the Byju's. As I said to you, yeah, one more thing. I told you there is an inside sales model where you don't need to visit a like a prospect personally. You can get it done on a video call, like using a Zoom call. So and your road location in that is like Bangalore. So in that you would get 5 lakhs is your base salary, and 3 lakhs is your variable pay.